guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video we will discuss some questions based on the previous video, means the rules which we are studied. So before starting the video, please do subscribe the channel. So the first question is, in a given atom no two electrons have the same set of four quantum numbers. So the answer for this question is the Pauli's exclusion principle, because in this principle no two sets of quantum numbers have the same value. We have known that, means either the ms value, spin value is half, or for the second one the value is negative half. So the answer for this question is Pauli's principle. Okay, now second question. So second question says that when d orbital is complete, then the electron will enter into, means एक 3d orbital है, when it will be completely filled, then the next electron will enter in which orbital? So the options are 4p, 4f, 4s and 4d. So first of all we have to check the n value for this. N plus L value for this one is 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 2 means 6, 4 plus 3, so this will be the 7, 4 plus 0 4, and last one is 4 plus 2, which is equals to 6. So the sequence for entering the electron is, so that this will be the sequence for the entering of an electron in any atom. So the last electron is entered into the 4p orbital, because इससे पहले जो भी ऑर्बिटल्स हैं वो फिल हो चुके हैं, जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं कि 4s जो है फिल हो चुका है एंड 4d जो है उसकी वैल्यू ज़्यादा है एज कम्पेयर टू 4p. सो दैट्स वाई वी विल टेक 4p एज अ करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन विच कैन अकोमोडेट इन एन ऑर्बिटल इज. किसी भी एक ऑर्बिटल में नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो है वो कितने अकोमोडेट हो सकते हैं? तो we know that only 2 electrons can accommodate in an orbital. So the next question is the maximum number of electrons accommodate in f orbitals. So there are 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 orbitals, and each orbital there are 2 electrons. So it will be 14 electrons are accommodate in the f orbital. Now second question is, give the number of unpaired electrons in Fe. So first of all we have to write the electronic configuration for Fe, which is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 4p6. So according to the question according to the questions, the last electron will enter in the d orbital, which is having 5 orbitals. So one electron will firstly singly filled, then the last 6 electron will enter in the first orbital again. So 1 2 3 and 4 electrons are unpaired. How many electrons present in a cobalt metals? So how many unpaired electrons are present in a cobalt metal, which is equals to 3 electrons. Now give the electronic configuration for the ions. So first one is hydrogen, which is having electronic configuration 1s1, and the negative sign indicate that there will be the addition of one more electron. So the electronic configuration will be 1s2. Now next one is nitrogen, 3 negative, means again there is addition of 3 electron in the general electronic configuration. Then the electronic configuration will become 1s2, 2s2, and 2p6. Oxygen 2, O2. So for oxygen the atomic number is 8 and the electronic configuration will be normal 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. For lithium the atomic number is 3 and having plus charge, so that's why one electron is removed and only the electronic configuration will remain 1s2. For sodium atomic number is 11 plus 1 indicate that there is a removal of one electron from the outermost shell, and again the electronic configuration will become 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6 because the addition of these is equals to 10. Now, so the next question is that arrange the orbital represented by the following sets of energy. So we have given all the four quantum numbers. On the basis of this, we have to arrange the orbital energy. So for first one 4s, for second one it will be 3d, for third one it will be 3p, and for last one 3s. So the first one is 3d, second one is this, third one is this, and fourth one is this, on the basis of decreasing order. Now, next question is write the electronic configuration of 19th electron in chromium. We have to write the 19th electron which will enter in the chromium atom. So chromium is having atomic number Cr24 and the इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जो नॉर्मल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है वो है 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d4. So this will be the predicted electronic configuration for the chromium. Okay, now we have to identify in which orbital the 19th electron will enter. So the last electron, so the outermost shell is d, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 singly filled electron and हमें ये पता है कि d ऑर्बिटल अगर हाफ फील्ड होता है तो वो ज़्यादा स्टेबल होता है एज कम्पेयर टू दिस सिचुएशन. सो जो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन 4s के पास में है वो इसको ट्रांसफर कर देगा और 4s में जो है ओनली 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन बचेगा. सो नाउ वी हैव टू काउंट द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. 2 + 4, 6, 10, 12, then 18 and then 19. So the 19th electron will entered in 4s orbital. Okay, so I hope you will understand this because the cells are more stable, so the concentration of 19th electron is in 4s1. Now, on the basis of this question, we have to write all the 4 values of quantum number for the 19th electron. So it is having 4s1. Here the value of n is equals to 4, value of l equals to 0, then value of ml is equals to 0 and the spin will be plus half. Okay, so this is all about the questions based on the Hund's rules, Pauli's rules and Bohr principle. So I hope you will like these questions, and if you want more questions on the basis of such topics, so please comment in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.